Hey guys, I'm here to react to a request that I listen to some more EXO. A lot of people asked me to listen to some more, but this one person, who I'll put on the screen right here, wherever I put it, asked for me to check out some things that they thought I might like. And so right now we're going to listen to EXO's White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, and Artificial Love. It's a concert video. I have never listened to any of those songs before, so this will be something new for me. I'm gonna try to get into EXO since I like their title tracks and whatnot. So I thought I'd check out some songs I don't know by them, so I can get into them deeper. I guess is what I would say. I don't know. Whatever. Anyways, I got my really bad wig on because today my hair's getting to the point where it's too long. I like it really short or long because my hair used to be down here and I shaved it and I really liked it, and now it's in a point where I'm not really happy with that. So wear this wig, look like a retard or stupid, sorry, and just listen to this song. You guys ready? Here we go. Oh. Hey. Okay. This is supposed to be sexy and I can see it. Ooh. I know all their names. Except for one. But I know his face, so. Hey. He's so beautiful. I love him. Kai's always coming for the sex appeal. I can feel it. Oh, Dio. I love Dio. If I'd have a bias, it would be Dio. Oh, nice stage. Look at the vocals are really good. Excuse me? Rain? You're getting sexy wet? Ew, sir, please. I assume this is a Thunder song? Ooh. No, I just need you guys to get wet. This stage is really cool though. Dio's voices. Yes. His voice is so good. They all look so good. Yes, vocals. Go! Hey. I would love to be up front in this concert. I've always actually wanted to go to an EXO concert, surprisingly. Yes, Bill. Yes, Tim. Them vocals. Hey. This is a gem. I like this song. Okay, Kai, you can get out of here. Kai is not my bias, but it is obvious that he has the most sex appeal, which is he just needs to chill out. Oh wait, is this the okay? That was the white noise. I'm stupid. He doesn't want to. The vocals are everything. That's Suho, right? I really like his voice. Oh my god, please. I am too young. Ooh. Hey. Oh, this is a jam, actually. I like this for the white noise, actually. They have really good vocals. Yes, that's nice. Yo, love my life, that's right. Okay, y'all need to stop showing me time. Get out of here. Ladies trying to come for me too. I'm gonna need them. Chill out. Wow. Okay, sir. Hey. Ooh, that board. I really like these outfits too, by the way. He has such strong eyebrows. That's how I remember him. His eyebrows are everything, actually. Okay, channel. Okay, don't play that, me, sir. Ooh, oh. Yeah! Yeah! You better quit it. Hey. Better get it. Okay, Ray needs to get the fuck out of my face, because I'm not having it. Ooh, the booty. Yeah. Something cute, little baby. Okay, don't wink at me, sir. I'm gonna fight. Bear. The falsetto, yes. Oh, my eyes were crazy there. Lay! Is Lay always feeling himself? Lay feel like he's always feeling himself. Trying to get all sexy, and he better kill it. Ooh. See, human. All these Adam's apples are coming for me. Okay, you, sir. Wow, they got sticks. There's about to be rainism up in this joint. Like, what? They got their daddy canes out. Oh! Oh! Okay, everybody's touching the pee-pee, and I'm gonna need them to chill. Hey. Ooh, this is a jam too. Oh! Okay, Lane's trying to come for my soul. I'm too young. That deserves some tea. Ooh, I really want it. Excuse me? Oh! Lay's coming for my soul, and I just gotta make it stop. Ooh. I'm sorry I'm not saying much, but there's not much to say here. I'm too young. Oh. Yes, get down. Yes, dance. Ooh. I'm getting hypnotized, like my eyes are going cross. Oh! Sir. Sir. I'm too young. Woo! This is a jam. Ooh. Hey. Okay, Lay is trying to. Yes, the vocals. Hey. Hello? Hello? Hey, you're getting it. Yes. Okay. I'm about this. Mindful dancing is so sexy for some reason. Ooh, for duper. I need a bit of with it. that's going into my sink pile for research. Girl, thank you for requesting that, because that was some sexiness. You can tease it for that. Whew. I think I went cross-eyed halfway through that because I was just like staring deeply into it. I was like mesmerized. And I'm not trying to like be over the top or like fake my reaction or anything. I truly really enjoyed that. That's the concert I want to be at. Just so I can fangirl really hard and be like, oh, ooh, ooh, girl. They did that. And I am, okay, let's just rank the songs. Not that any of them were bad. They were all jams, okay? But I think my favorite song was, I think it would go Thunder, Playboy, Artificial Love, White Noise. So yeah, like, whew, I'm shook. I'm shook. Whew, I need to take a couple breaths, lay down for a minute or something, because that was everything. Thank you so much for not reacting to this. I reacted to it. If you react to it, that's pretty good too. Thank you so much for recommending this. I really enjoyed it, and I'm really interested to get to know more about EXO, especially their sexy side, because, girl, who doesn't love a sexy concept? People don't like sexy concepts, but leave, because I'm about that life. Anyways, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.